Nail polishes has come a long way from the ancient times to today's life. From simple one color applications. Today, it's all about the creativity and beauty that can be achieved through stunning nail art designs. Whether you are an enthusiast looking to experiment with these new styles and colors, or a professional nail artist seeking inspiration, in this exploration of gorgeous nail art, we will take you to the next level journey through intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and breathtaking designs that can elevate your style to a whole new level. Nail art has transformed into a potent way to express yourself without limits. Instead of traditional white tip, people are experimenting with various colors, metallic, accents, and even glitter for a chic and stylish look. Beautiful floral designs are always in season, whether it's a delicate roses, vibrant sunflowers, or abstract flowers. Your nail art adds a touch of femininity and grace. Whether you are preparing for an open air gathering or partnering with pals, your nails can serve as an excellent canvas for displaying your one of a kind style and character. Inspired by stained glass windows, this design involves creating colorful, translucent patterns that mimic the beauty of stained glass art.